All right, I just want to introduce you to the gait cycle. And gait is just walking or running. So we can analyze both. And here we see somebody walking. And this is their right gait cycle. So they land, heel contact with the right. And then they have toe off of the right, and they land back on the right. So right contact to right contact is the right gait cycle. And I just want you to pay attention, and we're going to do this very briefly during structural, that then you can start to break up the phases or the areas of this gait cycle to really analyze it. And so the first way they do that is during stance and swing phase. In general, 60% of the walking cycle is stance phase, meaning your foot is in contact with the ground. 40% is swing phase. For running, it's the opposite in general. 40% stance, 60% swing. You can also start to label these activities: weight acceptance, single limb support, limb advancement, which is the swing phase, right? You're pushing your one limb in front of you so you can land again. They can break it down even more, so you can have loading, mid-stance, terminal stance, pre-swing, initial swing, mid-swing, terminal swing. It can be broken down even more. Okay, and there is a point of double support where both feet are on the ground during walking. During running, there is a point of double flight where both feet are in the air. So here we go. So another way to look at this is just a diagram. You have the stance phase and the swing phase. Under stance, you can label it as shock absorption and push off. So you can have heel contact, foot flat, mid stance, heel off, and then toe off. And during limb advancement part of the swing phase, you can have early swing, mid swing, late swing. Again, depending on what your profession is or who you're analyzing, you can make this more detailed or less detailed dependent on your purpose. And that's all for gait for right now.